Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team and today we're going to be drawing a flower. This flower comes in lots of different colours and has thorns along its stem. Any guesses? That's right, it's a rose. Let's draw a rose together. Okay, so to start our rose we're going to draw a dot in the middle of the page. We're then going to draw a big U shape through that dot that we just drew and bring it up to the top like this, so it's a giant U. We're going to go from the top right hand corner and bring it down like this with a curved line. See how that creates a petal shape? We're now going to do the same from the other side and bring that down just to where that line meets us in the middle. That's creating our second rose petal. We're going to go again from this corner and bring it down, but a slightly more curved angle. We're going to do the same from the other side. And then the last motion is almost a semicircle to fill up the top. Now you can do however many of those you like. The more you do, the more petals you have. We're then going to go back to that dot in the middle and bring it down nearly to the bottom of the page. Curve that base round and join it with a parallel line to create our stalk. I'm then going to add on our thorns just by drawing small triangles down the stem like that. You don't have to include thorns if you don't want to, up to you. We're then going to go and draw a semicircle shape like this just over halfway up the stem. Go from the end of that and draw a semicircle facing downwards to create this leaf shape. You can always pause the video if I'm going too fast for you, and then you can play it at any point. We're then going to take another line just outside the base of the rose, semicircle going down, and we're going to do the same the other way. And we're going to repeat this on the right hand side. Semicircle curved line going down and a semicircle curved line going up. And for our last leaf, I'm going to do one going up the rose. Like that. Perfect. Now that that's done, the next stage is to colour our rose in. I'm going to use red because my favourite rose is red, but you can choose any colour you like because roses come in all sorts of different colours. Okay, and there we have our coloured in rose. There's only one more thing I'm going to do, which is add some detail into the leaf with a black marker pen. And that's my rose done. What colour rose did you guys do? I'd love to see, so leave a comment in the description or below and let me know what colour rose you decided to do. What colour rose did you draw? And does yours have thorns? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. And head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations with other like-minded kids. Thanks for watching. See you next time.